morning. I'm Twyla from the Trinity County Library, and I'd like to share a really simple craft with you today. And these are things that you more than likely have around your house, so that's awesome news, right? Okay, so the things you're going to need for this craft today, all right, you're going to need some tape. You're going to need a pair of scissors, a pencil, and a ruler, and a straw, right? And some paper. I just happen to have a brown paper bag that I'd cut up, so I decided to go ahead and make strips from that, okay? So the name of this is called the Loopy Flyer, and I got it from a book called Kid Concoctions, Weird, Wacky, and Wild Stuff You Can Make at Home, written by John E. and Danita Thomas. Okay? So, first thing you're going to do is cut up 2 strips of paper. And as you can tell, one is shorter and narrower than the other one. So this piece of paper is 7 inches by 1 inch. And this one is 6 inches by 3/4 of an inch. Okay? Now you're going to take one of your strips and you're going to overlap it into a circle like that. And then you're going to take some tape and just tape it together. Like that. Okay? And you can set that aside. Take your other loop. Your other loop. You haven't made a loop yet. Take your other piece of paper and make a loop out of it. Overlap it. Take some tape. Tape it together. Then you're going to take another fairly long, but not too long piece of tape. Put it right across the middle. And then you're going to take your straw and you're going to tape it to one end. Just like that. Ta-da! And if your tape doesn't want to wind around the straw very well, you can snip a little bit of it and so that it'll lay flatter, okay? Then you're going to take your other loop and do the same thing. Put another piece of paper on it, or tape. Look down the tube, try to line them up a little bit, and tape it to the other end of the straw. Kind of reminds me of looking down your fishing pole, trying to line up the little end with the bigger end of your fishing pole. And voila, you have a loopy flyer. Now what do you do with it? You fly it. That's what's fun. Now I also made another one yesterday that is with a smaller straw because I wanted to test out to see which one flies better. And you can do different things with it too. Maybe try bigger loops, bigger straws, different kind of straw, different kind of paper on it, and test them all out and see which one flies better. So we're going to go ahead and fly the first one. You're going to fly it by taking a hold of it right in the middle of the straw and just giving it a toss. Not bad. And did I do that right? I forgot. You're supposed to have the small loop at the front. So you fly it this way. Oh, much better. So take your small loop at the front, give it a shove. Oh, that one went that way. Maybe my stuff wasn't quite lined up right. I don't know. But I'm going to have fun flying them around the office here and see what I can do with them, okay? So that's it for today. Very simple craft. Have fun with it, and we will see you again. Bye-bye.